Good morning, students. Today I have come before you with another activity. You can see the activity. It consists of 3 glasses. All 3 contain water as a solvent. I am going to show you different types of solutions and some of their properties. Now let us take the first glass. In this glass, I will be putting salt. I have kept salt separately here. See, now I will stir this. I will be stirring this. As I stir, this salt gradually dissolves in the water. Give me some time. See, it is slowly dissolving. Gradually it will dissolve. See, ultimately all the salt that was there has dissolved. Now, in this salt solution, which I am calling it the salt solution, you are now having a solution before you containing salt as the solute and water as the solvent. Now let us see one very important property, whether this solution has the capacity to scatter light through it. Now I will use a torch and I will pass light through this solution. See, the light passes and strikes the other end. So this solution allows light to pass through it. Is it clear? Now let us come to the second glass. In this second glass, I have placed some mustard oil, and which I will pour into this solution. Here now you are having a solution which contains the solute, which is the mustard oil, and the solvent, which is water. Now I will stir this solution again and will see whether this oil dissolves in the water or not. Let us see what happens. See for yourself what happens. The oil separates itself from the solution and leaving the clear water below. Now let us see whether this solution has the capacity to scatter light. I will pass light through it. See, you can see the light on the other wall. So the light is passing through this solution. So this solution, which we call a suspension, does not have the property of scattering light. Now we come to the last solution, that is the water, which contains. Now in this I will be pouring flour, which we commonly call maida. I will pour flour into this and I will stir this. I will stir this as I had stirred the other solutions. See, I am stirring this and stirring this. See very closely as I am stirring this. Now I will try to see whether it settles or not. There is no indication that the solute is going to settle down. Rather, it is moving throughout the solution. And the molecules of the solute, that is flour, is moving in random motion inside this solution. So this particular solution, I will see whether it has the capacity to scatter light when light passes through it. Now I will pass light through this solution and see what happens. Can you see the light on the other wall? No light passes through this solution. So this solution has the property to scatter light, and this effect is known as the Tyndall effect. So this solution which is in which light was scattered is called a colloid solution. This solution in which I had mixed oil with water, this is known as a suspension. And one important part of this suspension is that you can separate the solute from the solvent by easy processes like filtration or by distillation. And in the third, we have a solution which is a homogeneous solution where each particle of the solute has dissolved totally in the solvent. This explains clearly the difference between the three types of solutions. One is a solution, one is this is a suspension, and this is a colloid. Of these, the first two do not have the ability to pass light, to scatter light, but here this particular solution has the ability to scatter light. It scatters the light and does not allow light to pass through. Thank you.